Metra Aaron here with another Saddle Tramp short video for your BC-PC1156R. It's going to take you from a stock amber or red turning signal to this awesome smoked out but red turning signal. Going to get everything repositioned for you here. Installation's the same on both sides, so we're going to show you that and then we'll be done. Simple, quick, and easy. So we got everything repositioned. All you're going to need is your favorite number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Pop off 2 screws, top and bottom. Remove your bulb. Remember, these are not keyed, 1156, it's the same on each side. Gonna open our box here. Now you will be reusing your factory mounting screws, so don't let those run away on you. There you go. Grab your factory retaining screws. Again, you don't need to over tighten these, that is just plastic. All right, and then the payoff. There you go.